It's good. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're having a good weekend. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Happy Sunday. We're sitting at 25.8K, up about 0.66 on the day. See a market cap of 502 billion. 24-hour volume, 12.42 billion. Let's hop to the charts. So what we were looking at as the more likely scenario was coming down in our wave Y. So from the top of our wave 1, we have our correction. There's an ABC into a wave Y. There's an ABC into a wave X. And now we're going through an AB looking to come down in our wave C of the wave Y. This is what I think is the higher probability. Now the micro counts can be inaccurate, but if we continue to follow this channel, we may be looking at an ending diagonal wave C, ABC into 1, pull back into 2, ABC 3, 4. Now these smaller wave counts can change easily. It could change into an impulse if we continue to drop swiftly. But what's important to watch is our target zone. The golden ratio and the 0.5 on the fib are coming in at 23.4K and 24.7K. So this is the zone we're looking for a reversal. I don't think it's likely we come down to the 78.6 fib level. Maybe we come down to this point of control at 23K, but I do think there's a good chance we bounce from this zone. And what we could see is a fake out. We have this nice falling wedge. We fake out to the downside. Everyone thinks, oh, we're going to retest. We're going to see continuation down, and the bulls say, haha, and we bounce to the upside. You see a fake out. You see continuation up. I think that's a high possibility for our friend Bitcoin. And I think we're going to hold the weekly EMAs, even though things are looking a little bit bearish at the moment on the weekly. We'll quickly get into that. We still do have this bullish scenario. We didn't break the 78.6% fib. So there is still the chance of an impulse. If we see a large bounce from this level, we can make a 5-way move. Then we can look at the bullish scenario. Right now, it's the less likely scenario in my opinion, but anything is possible. So the weekly chart, I do think we're going to close the week as we close the week today below the weekly EMAs, but it wouldn't be the first time that we close a little bit below the weekly EMAs. Remember, maybe we spend a week slightly below the EMAs, but we end up getting back above those EMAs. And we end up holding them and seeing continuation to the upside. As I mentioned in the previous two bear markets, when we broke underneath the EMAs and we were able to get back above them and they got really tight, we never failed to hold them. So when they got really tight after we had broken below them, as you can see here, they got really tight. We saw that continuation to the upside. So once again, the weekly EMAs are very tight. So even if we spend a week below the weekly EMAs or 2 weeks, as long as we can stay close to them and eventually we start to break back above them, I do think there's a high probability of continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how everything plays out. The DXY, I am expecting one more leg up. We perfectly called this ABC into our wave 4, and we may see one more low, or we can just continue up from here to 105, and that will be bearish for the market. And that's why I'm leaning towards Bitcoin coming down to the target zone of 23.4 to 24.7K. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang. So that's what I'm looking at. Currently, we are in 4 trades. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. If you're looking for a new exchange due to the lawsuits with Binance and Coinbase, Bitget and Bybit do not operate within the U.S., so the SEC filing a lawsuit is highly unlikely in my opinion. So these are great exchanges if you're looking for a new exchange. And if you sign up through my referral, make your first deposit, which takes 2 minutes on either of these exchanges. Email me or sign up email. You get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. Crypto news, member profits, HODL all plays, Forex signals and analysis as well, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 30-day completely for free. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.